pillow.
Yeah, no.
With buttons on it.
She's like, I don't know which button to rip off.
But who would do that though?
I don't know.
All one person that I can think of.
Who? Ty?
No, you wouldn't do
Mr. Boxman?
that. Wait, he's actually in this world?
What is it? What is this, Stormy? This isn't my bird. It's her bird. You're preoccupied, aren't you? She loves my buttons so much. What is it?
Stop saying nom, that's annoying. Mr. Boxman says nom every time he eats something. Reese! Enough is enough.
Now you don't mind me touching you because you're like right on me. Okay, that's enough with the buttons. Stop it with the buttons.
Oh, she had that little bird shuffle.
She just loves my chest, doesn't she? You just love my chest, don't you? Yes, you do. I can't believe this is actually happening.
She can't tell the difference from a pillow and the chest. Nom, 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 nom.
She just loves being on camera, doesn't she? Don't you? Yeah, you do. You are just...
Just ruffle those feathers.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that. Put that down. Good, Stormy. Let me just get that button real quick.
And no, guys, that is not a boy bird. That's a girl bird.
This is a girl bird. No more. No more button. Okay, Storm? No more buttons.
She completely ignores you.
Yeah, I know. She's like, I'm so having much fun. She just loves the camera. You just love the camera, don't you, little birdie? Yes, you do. Let me take a picture. There we go.
Did she just eat a button?
No, I don't think so.
That was my nephew making that squealy noise.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, screechy noise.
You are just a little button lover, aren't you? Yes, you are.
Birds love anything shiny.
Yeah, they do. So do dragons. Get your tail out of my face. Yeah, you're very cute. You're a very cute bird. Yes, there are. Got her to actually face the camera for a picture. You were just walking all over me, aren't you?
Oh. So you have more room than my mom does. Seriously, I look like I'm flat-chested almost.
Not really.
Kinda, sorta, because...
Yeah.
Like, the other kids at my school, they're just like,
Yeah.
everyone just looks at me like, tomboy. I honestly don't care what I'm called, just as long as they get my name right. As long as they get my name right, I'm okay with what they call me.
Looking all over me, huh? I am very comfortable, aren't I?
I'd wager that she just said yes. There's this one character in Fire Emblem Awakening that if your male avatar marries, you have support rank and then like a little cutscene after. Her name is a person, and what she does is smother your character. There's a guy. But then she's like this. With his head. Like, look at this.
She is just loving me today. Yeah, you are. It's because I got a camera on you, huh? Yeah, it is.
She'll give you kisses sometimes.
Huh? You a good Stormy? You a good Stormy? Yeah. Ring. Ring. Oh, you have a little bit of white in your cheeks. Yeah.
If you're not careful, she'll poop on you. It happened to Ty once. But
She is just relaxing.
Ty called me a mean name and she just pooped on him.
Good
Don't
Stormy.
call my mommy that.
It's alright, girl. You can just relax. See? I'm not gonna hurt you.
She can hear your heartbeat, actually.
I know.
Some people are surprised.